The pre-sale process at Redberry is built around a very thorough discovery process. Discovery process ensures that us and the client, we're both aligned on the expectations and the outcome of the project. Basically, it's a process where we take client's brief, analyze it in as much detail as possible, ensure that we are all aligned on the scope of the project, and in the end, of course, deliver the proposal that is tailor-made for the project in question.
I would say the key standout point is that the discovery process is always included in the pre-sales phase. This means that we do a deep dive into the client brief, do extensive research, conduct client interviews, and build a project-specific backlog. First of all, it's crucial for making sure everyone knows what's going on and what to expect. This way we avoid misunderstandings and make sure the client and our team are aligned from the get-go. Secondly, by figuring out the details early on, we make sure to identify potential problems so we avoid potential surprises in the future.
Finally, it sets a solid foundation for the successful project and ensures that objectives and vision are aligned with the client, and basically gives us a very clear vision of the timeline and the project outcome.
I would highlight 4 integral steps. First, we start looking at the client brief. It could be anything from a very simple idea to a detailed document. Then we conduct client interviews. We talk with the clients to understand their problems and their vision. We plan the product in the right way. Then we check out the competition. We conduct a desk research to understand the industry and the domain, to make sure the project is positioned in the right way. And finally, we put together a plan with timelines and resources, so we know what is needed and when it's needed. First key artifact is the documentation of client requirements and expectations that we gather from initial meetings and interviews. Second key artifact is a preliminary product backlog and the project outline, based on the client input and research.
Based on those artifacts, we build a dedicated, tailor-made offer, outlining everything from methodologies to technological choices that we're going to be using, and of course detailing the budget, the resources and timeline necessary for successfully delivering the project. The team involved in the pre-sales process is first the sales/business development team, basically orchestrating the whole process and aligning internal teams with the client's teams. The second is the product designer, such as Sandro, who is somebody who is ensuring that the client's expectations and visions are well translated into project requirements. The third one is the delivery manager, who is a person who creates the big picture architecture of the project and ensuring that technologies that we are going to be using are feasible. Fourth one is the lead developer, somebody who is going to be actively involved in the process from the technological standpoint and ensuring that the technological workflow is well detailed and well defined. And the last one is the project manager, basically somebody who is going to be responsible for delivering the project successfully if we move forward with our offer, and basically they are ensuring that all parties are aligned.